All right, here's my demonstration video of my microprocessor. Okay, so first perform any operation of your choice, loading in data and storing the result at RAM 7. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna add the numbers 3 plus 2. So we gotta select the mode 1. It's already selected. We're in add mode. And we wanna, what I wanna do is I wanna access register 1, the data from register 1, and I want to access the data from register 2. Add that to the data. I want to add the data from register 1 to the data to register 2. And I want to store it in RAM 7 right here. So this, my address 3 output needs to be a 7 because that's where I want to store my data. So we are going to add the numbers 3 plus 1. Now it's going to take in, when I start the simulator, it's going to take in 1. 1 is going to go up here, be stored as a B, and then it's going to take in 2. It's going to add the 2 numbers, go down the data bus, store it in RAM 7. And I think I'm supposed to, yeah, okay. So simulate supposed to be auto tick enabled. Okay, when I hit start, let me slow the frequency down a little bit. Can I slow it down? Yeah, this is pretty slow. So when I hit start, it should take the address from, take the information from address 1, add it to address 2, then output it to RAM 7. So I hit start. Oh, there it is. It added 3 plus 1, and that's 4. Let me stop it so it can just stop. Okay. So we got 4 in RAM 7 because 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now, what is it asking me to do next? Then perform a different operation with one of the inputs being the RAM 7 data you just stored. Okay, so we're going to take the RAM 7 data and then we're going to subtract it. So we got to put it in subtracting mode. So let's make it, got to make sure it's also on idle. There we go. It's an idle, perfect. And we are going to take the information from RAM 7, which is 4. So I want this to access RAM 7. And we are going to subtract it from, let's just say, address 1. So we're going to do 7 minus 4 because we're taking this data right here and we're subtracting it from 7 because this number is 7. Right? Yeah, 7. And so that means we need for this one, we got to access ROM 1. So it's going to be 7 minus 4. And then we hit, and oh, and I'm going to store it. I'm going to store it in, what did it say store it? You multiply. Where does it say store it anywhere? Let's see, for example, you could. Oh, no, it doesn't matter where I store it. Okay, cool. I'm just going to store it in RAM 6. So this one has to be 6. Taking the data from 7, subtracting it from the data from ROM 1, storing it in RAM 6. We start. going to clock cycles, taking the data from wherever it needs to, storing it, and it's stored right now. Stored in RAM 6 is 3, because 7 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is 3. So you got 3 right here. And what else? My K maps now. I gotta show my K maps. Um, my K maps show how I got these gates, and here they go. Or those circuits, I mean, not gates. Here are my K maps, equations I used right here. So this is for D1, D0, read, and accumulator output. That's how I got the circuits for those. And yeah, I think that concludes my video.